Hey guys, this is Sad Man, and today I'm going to show you a pretty cool camera in my collection, and it's the Sony Mavica, or to be more specific, it's the Sony Mavica MVC-FD92. It was released in February 2001, and I got it at Goodwill for $10.50. And even though it was made in February 2001, this is a later release. You see the 1B, that means it was released in the second quarter of 2001. And what makes this camera cool is that it can use floppy disks and memory sticks. However, it can only take the original memory stick. It doesn't take Memory Stick Pro or Memory Stick Duo or Memory Stick Pro Duo, just the original memory stick. But both with and without Magic 8 support, both versions work. And here it is. This is what you need to use. I have one with Magic 8 support. And as I said, this camera supports the original memory sticks, whether it has or doesn't have Magic 8 support. And it's 128 megabytes. That's the maximum amount of megabytes it holds. The least amount it holds 4 megabytes. And here you could set it to either a memory stick or floppy disk. And I can demonstrate, and I have a beat-up box of blank floppy disks that I got from Goodwill for $2.49, as you can see from the marker, and they're Sony floppy disks. Let me take one out, and I'll put it in the camera. Turn it on. As you can see, I have to set at the timer. And here it is. And if you don't want to use a floppy disk, you can use a memory stick instead. Here it is. Anyway, here are some pictures and videos that I've taken with this camera. Alright, here is the test video for the Sony Mavica camera, and that's all I have to say right now. Bye. Alright, now here's a test video in the lower resolution, and well, that's all I have to say for now. Goodbye. And to navigate the settings, I just use the D-pad. I could change the effects, solarize, black and white, sepia, negative art, and off. And I can even set date and time settings. And here is the timer. You can set it for when it takes a picture. And or recording mode, it could be normal, email, voice, text, or TIFF. And TIFF is like an uncompressed image. And you could change the image size: 640, 1024, 1280 3x2, 1280, and 1472. And you could change the clip motion, the file number, and you could format the memory stick. And for the camera, you could set the exposure, the flash level, the white balance, sharpness, and the digital zoom. And you could even do the setup: the LCD brightness, the beep, the clock, the language, and the video out. And here are the little buttons. You could either put in play mode, still mode, or movie mode. And as you can see, it's in movie mode. And for the settings for the video, you can set the recording time to 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 15 seconds. You can set the image size to 320 by 240 or 160 by 112. And you can set the file number just like in the still mode. And you could also format the memory stick just like in the still mode. And for the video, you could set the exposure and the white balance. And here are the little buttons it has. I'll show you again. I don't know what the one with the orange light does, but there's focus and program and display. There's a little D-pad. There's a memory stick slot, and there's that little switch I showed you. And you could eject a floppy disk right here. I set to, and there it goes. And here it's hard to see right now, but you could set the volume and turn the LCD backlight on and off. And when I turn it around, here you can see the flash, the start button, and here you can see a T and a W, and that changes the zoom. And I'll demonstrate it for you right now. Anyway, that's all I have to say for now. I hope you enjoyed the video.